watching Khaos Crypto News, the crypto news that you need to know.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Khaos Crypto News, the crypto news that you need to know. I'm your host, Khaos Dubs, and in the news today, Binance has released a cool new feature. Something cool is happening with XRP on TradingView. Silvergate shuts down. There's a crypto ATM crackdown happening, and some cool NFTs are coming out, and we're going to talk about them. Let's jump right into it. First off, let's head over to crypto Twitter to see what's happening there. So it looks like Binance is now offering the opportunity to buy and sell crypto with cash. With our latest cash add zone feature on Binance P2P, you can easily locate the nearest stores in your region that offer cash as a payment method. That's pretty exciting. Head over there to check that out if you want to do that. Now, the ISO GOAT has some pretty cool information here. If you go to tradingview.com and search for the symbol XRP, look at all these pairs. You got XRP in gold, XRP in silver, XRP in crude oil. That's interesting. It's almost as if we're preparing for something. This person here says, if I didn't know any better, I would say they are setting up for XRP to be paired with everything. Almost like XRP could possibly become the global Forex currency, which it looks like it's going to, folks. So definitely buy your bags up, hold that XRP, and we are moving into the future. Now, Lord XRP has some interesting information. Japan's financial regulator has recognized XRP as one of only 3 cryptocurrencies allowed to be traded in Japan and has referred to XRP as a virtual currency. You can find more information here at Lord XRP's site. Some people in the comments are saying that this link doesn't work. Others are saying it does work. I can't read Japanese, so either way, for me, it's irrelevant. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about Silvergate here. Crypto-friendly bank Silvergate shuts down. So Silvergate announced that they would be winding down their operations in an orderly manner. Another pillar of the crypto industry has succumbed. The bank indicated in its press release that it would be voluntarily undergoing liquidation in an orderly manner and all customer deposits would be fully repaid. Silvergate told the SEC that it was perhaps less than well capitalized. Silvergate had previously disclosed a $1.05 billion loss in the fourth quarter of 2022. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about H&R Block and some crypto taxes. So CoinTracker integrates with H&R Block to offer crypto tax preparation for US customers. The new integration allows crypto users to automatically fill out the crypto portion of Form 8949, which is used to report capital gains and losses from investments for tax filings. CoinTracker is integrating its software with H&R Block, which is pretty cool because they're in Canada, US, and all over the place. CoinTracker noticed the partnership will allow American H&R Block customers to use CoinTracker and automatically fill in their Form 8949 regarding crypto trades. Previously, users had to cut and copy and paste crypto data into each form field on the H&R Block app, which could lead to mistakes. So for those of you needing to get your tax preparation stuff in regards to crypto done, make sure you head over to CoinTracker's integration with H&R Block. Now, let's talk a little bit about, since we're on the topic of taxes here, some crypto and tax-friendly countries for digital nomads in 2023. There are a growing number of crypto tax havens and countries where you'll pay less or no tax at all. Crypto holders are on the move, searching for the best crypto-friendly countries to escape tightening regulations. When you earn your income online, where you choose to live could influence how much tax you pay or don't pay. Regulators have adopted several actions that impact crypto holders, such as implementing new tax requirements, cracking down on unregistered exchanges, and in some cases, countries like China banning or restricting cryptos altogether. In some countries, crypto holders will pay multiple taxes on their crypto, while in others, they could see none. Most countries do not recognize cryptocurrencies as fiat currencies. Instead, it's most often viewed as a kind of asset or commodity, like a property or a stock. In most countries, crypto will be subject to income tax, capital gains tax, or sometimes both. Now let's talk about some crypto-friendly, tax-efficient countries. Portugal is a country that has been increasingly embracing crypto. The country's relatively friendly regulatory environment makes it a popular destination for crypto enthusiasts and for businesses. To entice crypto holders to relocate to Portugal, residents pay no income tax on their crypto or capital gains tax on profits. Cryptocurrency investment income is tax-free. In Switzerland, they have long been known as a hub for finance and innovation. They are offering residents no capital gains tax for individual investors and no income tax or wealth tax on crypto. So Switzerland is definitely a big player. The UAE, they have been working on comprehensive crypto regulations, which are expected to be introduced soon. UAE has also launched several blockchain initiatives, including the Dubai blockchain strategy, which aims to make Dubai the world's first blockchain-powered government. The country is known for its tax-friendly policies, and the government will likely impose significant taxes on crypto transactions shortly. Now that seems like it's kind of shooting itself in the foot for everything else that it just mentioned. So if the government is going to impose crypto transaction taxes, then how come it's saying that, they're so free and all that? I mean, yes, the regulations are coming soon, but let me know what you think in the comments. Let's talk about a few other crypto-friendly regions here. Malta is a popular destination for cryptocurrency companies due to its favorable regulatory environment. Bermuda has no corporate income or capital gains tax, making it a tax haven for crypto companies. Belarus, despite them being right near the war, has created favorable environment for cryptocurrency companies by legalizing crypto transactions and exempting them from taxes until 2023, so assuming later this year. Lastly, regions like Malaysia, Puerto Rico, and others also make it under the discussed list. So definitely, for those of you looking to get some tax breaks, consider looking at moving to different places that aren't going to try and screw you. Now we're going to talk about this UK ATM crypto crackdown this month. The UK's financial watchdog today announced its second crackdown on crypto ATMs in less than a month. It follows an earlier crackdown in Leeds that was described by officials as a national first. As it stands, the FCA currently doesn't regulate crypto ATMs. However, they're not allowed to operate without first registering with the authority. To date, there are no crypto ATMs registered with the FCA. Crypto ATM numbers are actually on the slide. Last year, the number of crypto ATMs being installed was reported to be decreasing. Indeed, data from Coin ATM Radar suggests that numbers are continuing to dwindle. In the UK, Coin ATM Radar claims the country has only 19 of them left. The US is seemingly the leader when it comes to crypto ATMs with an estimated 32,671 installed. However, as Bloomberg reports, many of the terminals see little to no use. Let's talk about Three Arrows Capital. They're trying to shake up the crypto industry with a new crypto exchange after acquiring CoinFlex assets. Here's what you need to know. Su Zhu and Kyle Davies, the two founders of the bankrupt crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital, have completed a funding round for their new OPNX exchange and will acquire the remaining assets of the troubled exchange CoinFlex. The exchange is said to have raised $25 million, but Kyle Davies reportedly declined to say who the investors are. OPNX will acquire all of CoinFlex assets, and that includes people, tech, and tokens. He added that Flex would be the new exchange's own token. According to Ignis, Flex will be used to pay fees on the platform, similar to how BNB is used to pay fees on Binance, and 20% of the revenue generated will be used to buy and burn Flex tokens. So, I mean, I don't know, with everything that's been going on, I don't know if I'd be trusting people trying to do this after they got caught screwing people over, but let's move on. Crypto.com struggles to maintain fiat on-ramps in the face of crypto banking crisis. The exchange's current banking partner is only accessible to users based in the European Economic Area. The Singapore headquartered exchange is only now able to provide euro-denominated banking services to users in the European Economic Area, having previously lost the ability to accept US dollar deposits because of the issues with banking partners. An exchange that only has the ability to service users in one part of the world and then in euros, a far less liquid currency for crypto, is going to have questions raised about its liquidity. All this comes as Crypto.com has faced turbulence due to its relationship with two banks and wider fallout in the crypto industry. Crypto.com's prior banking partner was Transactive Systems. Bloomberg reported that Transactive is the offspring of PacNet, a Vancouver-based payments processor that was accused by the US DOJ, which called it a transnational criminal organization of processing payments for mail fraud schemes. 4 executives of the company have been charged in the US with mail fraud and money laundering. Provincial authorities in BC, home to the company, are attempting to seize over $17 million, US $12 million in property belonging to executives via a civil forfeiture lawsuit. Crypto.com has lost the ability to receive USD fiat deposits when its US banking partner, Metropolitan Commercial Bank, exited the crypto industry in January. The exchange still offers the ability for users to buy crypto via credit card, and in September started to waive fees for new users for the first week, I guess in an attempt to try to onboard some more people. On-chain data shows healthy deposits. Crypto.com currency has an exchange balance of 3.6 billion and a stablecoin balance of 776 million. It also has seen a positive net flow of over 248 million during the last week. CRO is down 16% over the last 30 days and 82% on the year. Not good news for Crypto.com holders, that's for sure. We've got more Crypto.com news here. Why Crypto.com's price action is about to go from bad to worse. The CRO token price has decreased below a long-term descending resistance line since August. While the price attempted to break out on February 26th, it was unsuccessful. A breakout from this line would invalidate this bearish forecast and could lead to CRO price increasing to 10 cents. To conclude, the most likely CRO price forecast is a relief rally towards about 7.5 cents before another drop to about 6 cents. A close to above about 0.73 cents could lead to highs near 0.9 cents, while breakdown below 0.58 cents could lead to a sharp fall to about 3 cents. Now we're going to talk a little bit about generative art NFTs and how they're coming to Solana. The team behind Solana-based art exchange is tapping into generative art through its new marketplace, courting creators native to Ethereum and Tezos. Now, we talked a little bit about Solana in one of the last Khaos episodes, and there's definitely been some trouble on the blockchain lately, so personally, I'm kind of on the whole thing. But the team behind Solana-based digital art fine art marketplace, Exchange.art, said Wednesday that they are releasing a generative art NFT platform. Called Code Canvas, the platform will allow creators and collectors to mint and trade generative art NFTs on the Solana blockchain. There's not a whole lot more here to talk about that, but I do want to give you an example of what generative NFTs are and can be. So this is Generative Dungeons. If you head to generativedungeon.com, you can check it out. I also did another video about this a little while back. I'll try and leave a link up at the top here for you to check out. Generative Dungeons is a super cool set of 3,000 NFTs, and each NFT is its own dungeon where you get to play a game.
Are we there yet?
So as you can see, you can go around collecting items, and each dungeon's different. You can fight monsters and all that kind of stuff. Now, that's not really the point of this, so I'm not going to keep playing it for you guys. You can check it out on your own, but definitely check out that video I put out. It'll give a good rundown of everything that Generative Dungeons is. You want to talk about super cool NFT projects? This has been one that's been on the top of my radar simply because it's unique and it's fantastically cool. Let's talk a little bit about XRP here. So XRP price prediction as whale moves 10 million of XRP from wallet. What is going on? The coin is now up by 2.5% in a week and basically flat in the last 30 days, although it has risen by about 15.5% since the start of the year. And with a whale apparently moving 10 million XRP off the Bitso exchange, it's likely that the coin's holders are preparing themselves for some major returns somewhere later in the year. Now, hopefully that's sooner than later. XRP is currently facing a resistance level of roughly 40 cents, so if it can break through this barrier, more joy can be expected. It does seem that holders are expecting price rises in the coming weeks and months, with one whale moving 28.4 million XRP off the Bitso exchange just in the last couple days. At the same time, an even bigger transfer of 150 million XRP, about $58 million worth, has been completed, although this time it involves one unknown wallet sending it to another unknown wallet. As such, while there may be an expectation of XRP rallies to come, the certainty isn't unanimous sentiment in the market right now. I'm thinking that we're going to see some clarity soon and hoping, but I mean, who really knows what's going to happen? In the event that the outcome is a positive one, there's every chance that XRP could end up challenging its current all-time highs, which stands at around $3.40. XRP saw enormous 680 million volume spike, leading to price breakthrough. 3 new targets. XRP has been facing strong resistance in the form of upper border of the descending price channel, which has pushed the asset down for the past 45 days. Despite the resistance, XRP has already gained around 5% of its value in the last 2 days, indicating the asset may be preparing for a breakout. The first target would be the 200-day moving average at 40 cents, which has previously acted as a support level for XRP. The second target would be the previous breakdown point at 50 cents, which could prove to be a tough resistance level for XRP to overcome. Finally, the third target would be the local cycle high at approximately 55 cents. Now we'll talk a little bit about Cardano here. Cardano down by 11% despite entry into the sandbox. It's funny that every time Cardano has good news, it dumps in celebration. The last few weeks of the crypto market have been marked by steady losses, with most assets experiencing a decline. Cardano has plummeted by about 10% in the last 7 days, showing a worse performance than other major altcoins. Interestingly, ADA's decline over the last few days has been consistent even amid news of historic milestone for the Cardano network. On February 28th, Clay Nation, a Cardano NFT project, announced its upcoming integration with the sandbox. While this news generated some excitement among the Cardano community, it has so far had no significant positive impact on the downtrend of the ADA token. And a little bit more Cardano news. Cardano's price forecast as blockchain's TVL figure reaches all-time high. ADA adoption on the rise. The ADA denominated value of cryptocurrency locked within the Cardano blockchain has reached an all-time high of 341 million ADA, indicating growth adoption of the platform. The ecosystem got a boost earlier this year upon the launch of the DJED over collateralized algorithmic stablecoin, which has opened new yield farming possibilities in the Cardano DeFi ecosystem. Cardano's drop this week means that the cryptocurrency has fallen below all of its major moving averages. Moreover, the cryptocurrency now appears to be in a downtrend that goes all the way back to June 2022. Technically speaking, the outlook for the cryptocurrency isn't looking great in the near term, with a fallback under 30 cents looking highly likely. That would open the door to a drop back to late 2022 lows in the 24 cents area, a further 24% decline from current levels. That wraps up today's Khaos Crypto News. I hope this has been informative for you. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned, stay locked. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.